For the last 14 weeks during the build process at Coating Central, we've documented pretty much everything. We hope that this footage will be valuable to you in understanding part of the process. We understand that across this screen, it's very hard to answer questions and to show you a comprehensive approach on all of the steps involved, from surface prep to polish and coatings and everything in between. We hope that you'll check out the www.coatingscollege.com to register for our classes. We intend to show you a couple of things throughout the showroom and talk about the process involved. We're going to start off first with our polished Raceway. This is about 160 linear feet by 5 feet of polish. In mapping out this polish, we allowed an extra foot or so on each side for our surrounding borders, which are done by hand with polymer modified cements. This was the very first step after the renovation process in Coating Central, in which we used multiple machines from Husqvarna and Sace to achieve this 1500 grit polish. We really wanted to cut down into the slab and reveal the aggregate to show the true beauty behind the original pour. This slab was extremely uneven, and it took a lot of grinding and surface preparation to even begin to consider the polish process. As you can see by some of the footage that was taken prior to this night, it was an extremely rough slab. There were shoulders and corners that didn't match up, that needed to be repaired. There was a lot of crack repair. There were joints. We really kind of started from square one to bring it to where it is today. Polish is really made up of 3 basic steps. Our first step was a cut, or a metal step. This was, again, our 16 grit, 30-40 grit, 60-80 grit. We then go to our transitional or honing, where we use our hybrid diamonds, 50, 100, 200. We then step up into our polishing steps, 400, 800, and eventually 1500. In speaking on this, it makes it seem like it's a very quick process. Polish is not. Typically, when you are looking at integrating polish into your business, you have to mostly consider productivity and labor. Unlike coatings, which is the forefront of the cost is your materials, with polish, the forefront of your cost is labor. So if you don't streamline your process within polish, you will lose money very quickly. However, if you buy a set of tools, you typically can get through a job this size 8 or 10 times over. So your investment of a full set of tools typically runs somewhere around $3,000. However, $3,000, a machine, a vacuum, and a helping hand can again put 8 to 10 jobs easily this size on your books. It's very profitable as long as you follow the steps. This particular process took us about a week. That is a pretty long time for a job this size. However, within this showroom, as mentioned, the slab was extremely uneven. We did have very intricate steps within our stencil process, and we were working around other trades. This is oftentimes the biggest hurdle in polishing your jobs.
For more information, visit www.coatingcentral.com or give us a call at 540-734-6119. We've got you covered.